Ever wondered how to build a website in just 10 minutes? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to unlock the magic of creating a website in record time using an AI website builder. No coding, no fuss, just a sleek, professional-looking website ready to go live. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about coding languages, website designs, or complex algorithms. That's right, it's possible with the power of artificial intelligence. This AI website builder is a game changer. It's free, efficient, and requires zero technical skills. First things first, head over to the AI website builder. It's as simple as typing in the name of the platform on your favorite search engine and clicking on the first link that pops up. Remember, this tool is free, so no need to worry about any hidden costs. Once you're on the platform, hit the Start Building button. The AI will ask you a series of questions to understand your vision. Things like the type of website you want to create, the color scheme you prefer, the functionalities you need. Answer these questions with as much detail as you can. The more information you give, the better the AI can tailor the website to your needs. The next part is where the magic happens. The AI takes all your inputs and starts weaving together your website. It picks out the perfect layout, designs the pages, and even writes the content for you. It's like having your personal web developer working at lightning speed. In under 10 minutes, you'll have a preview of your new website. But don't rush to go live just yet. Take your time to navigate through the site, check out each page, and see how it all feels. If there's anything you want to change, the AI website builder allows for customization. You can tweak the design, add or remove pages, and adjust the content as you see fit. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to hit publish. And voila, you've just built a website in 10 minutes. Now you may be thinking this is too good to be true. But the beauty of technology is that it constantly pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. This AI website builder is a testament to that. So why not give it a shot? Step into the future of web development and experience the power of AI. After all, you've got nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain. Happy website building.